Ooh, got some shiny things here. What's up folks, Alex Merchant here. Welcome back to the channel where I take you along with me on contemporary art exhibitions across galleries and art fairs. And today, we're at Design Miami on South Beach to check out some premier furniture and interior design galleries from around the world. So we're about to embark on seeing some elite contemporary designers and collections. Do me a favor, if you would, as we walk around the fair together, you and I, if you see anything at all that you like, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you already enjoyed a particular designer or gallery, go ahead, leave a comment down below. Conversely, if you see a bunch of stuff that you don't like, well, then you just don't like nice things. Double tap the thumbs down button and stop watching this video. The Design Miami tent is directly next to the convention center where the Miami Art Basel took place. Just a short walk away. I'll leave a link down below in the description for the Miami Art Basel video. Now in full transparency, I am a studio artist in the fine art sense. I am not versed in design, you know, art plus function, but I am learning. I thought I would just share that up front. So you think of me as the guide on the side, not the sage on the stage. I am not your expert, but I do know what I like and often why I like those things. So Design Miami gives me the opportunity to get to see an arsenal of armoires, a bounty of bureaus, a cornicopia of credenzas, and a score of sconces, legions of lamps, and so on and so forth. So again, like and subscribe to see more art and design exhibitions in the future. Every so often, I'll mention a handful of booths that caught my attention and give you a bit more information about it. Oh, and if you see anything that you like, you know, something about the designer or the gallery, please go ahead and leave a comment below, as I said earlier, so we can share in the wealth of the wisdom here. All right, let's go. Over at the Jason Jacques gallery booth, we have a fantasy sci-fi themed exhibition of talented creators. The dome was created by Detroit-based artist Rem Denizen, the clay work is by Nick Waddell, and the little green children are by Kim Simonson. I've been a fan of R & Company for a couple of years now, since I learned about them. I like the cut of the jib, with their choice of varied new and old design techniques, infusing some levels of play and whimsy into the mix. Always good to see. Now the Todd Merrell booth is doing a lot for me. Back in New York, I live very near the gallery and I had never really stepped inside to check out their stuff. So this is the first time I'm seeing it up close, and the array of textures, colors, sizes, and shapes are firing some neurons up in my brain. This piece here is modeled after a ping pong table, as evidenced by the designer paddles and net combination. Todd Merrell, bringing even more heat to South Beach. '21st Gallery, located in Tribeca, New York, has a stunning display of armoires and credenzas that are just luscious. Now these aren't your grandmother's wicker chairs over at the Future Perfect, a gallery based out of New York, LA, and San Francisco. The anthropomorphized chairs are super visually interesting in their curvilinear forms, not to mention the fingers and toes. I can appreciate a chair with feet that are feet. You know what else has fingers? The like button on this video, just down below there in the frame of the video. Take that for a spin, why don't you? Just If you are into timepieces, Japanese watchmaker Grand Seiko is here for your wrist candy needs. I, however, have a clock on my phone, so I was much more enthralled with this sand clock. I was really mesmerized, much more than I care to admit, and they have 3 suspended metallic rods meant to move at the speed of the hands of a clock. Each rod respectively dedicated to hours, minutes, and seconds. I can get behind this design. Now, the company Kohler is a designer of water infrastructure like bathrooms, toilets, faucets, sinks, etc. If it involves water, they built it. They teamed up with contemporary multimedia artist Daniel Arsham. His sculptures have an epic quality to them, so if you're not familiar with his work, the sculptural elements of what you're seeing here are Daniel's essence, and the water running through them, that's the tie to Kohler. Daniel doesn't regularly feature running water in his works as far as I know, from stalking him on Instagram. If you'd like to see more of Daniel's work, I've linked to his site in the description down below, as well as the Miami Art Basel video which features his work.